Guys, we are working on the Lexus IS 220D. We apply to any cars. We had the noise on the near side front. Remove the wheel. Examine all around the wheel arch. Sometimes you can see one of your coil spring snap, tires catching the wheel arch. No sign of any rubbing, any wear and tear. We check already the ball joints. That's your wishbone ball joints. A little bit gap on the anti-roll bar. Everything is fine. What I noticed, this side of the disc, we got little lip. So when the pad were inside the disc, you make two lip on the sides. This smooth little lip, but when I go behind the disc, the lip is much larger than this side. So wear out, this disc wear out from inside more than outside. Why the caliper sliders, they don't work. So this doesn't put the pressure equally on the both side of the disc. So the piston put more pressure on this side. The slider doesn't work. So you get, I don't know, you can see from here, there's a lip, the corner, this side, yeah. This is the lip from inside. So if the slider doesn't work on the caliper, you get wear too much from this side. The piston pushing the pads against the disc from behind. Yeah. You get plenty. And if you look at it through here, oh, it's not that easy. The pad, inner pad, wear out much quicker than outer one. When we remove it, we're going to show you on part 2. So this apply to any car. You just crack the 14 mil, sometimes 12, 13. Sometimes this nut here is turning, you must hold it, but in this case we got the little lip, it doesn't let it turn. So you remove the caliper, make sure you don't put the pressure on the brake hose. You put your caliper rest on here on the wishbone so it doesn't stretch, because they are so old, so you might crack the brake pipe. So when on the part 2 I'm going to show you, you just remove these two, then you get the little screwdriver, push it towards the disc and the pads to push the piston